What if true luxury had nothing to do with size, and everything to do with intention? Hidden deep within the forest stands a home that quietly challenges our expectations, compact in footprint, yet expansive in experience. This is not a tiny house that compromises, but one that conceals refinement, innovation, and indulgence behind every surface. Today, we step inside a forest retreat where minimalist architecture meets unapologetic luxury.
Welcome to Creative Abode, where the art of design meets life. Explore unique architecture, innovative interiors, and inspiring spaces. Transform your home, discover new trends, and indulge in beautiful aesthetics. Let's create spaces that reflect your style, comfort, and creativity. Make yourself at home, and let your imagination wander.
From the very first glance, the home establishes its identity with confidence and restraint. The exterior is clad in blackened timber, its vertical lines echoing the surrounding trees, allowing the structure to disappear into the forest while remaining undeniably modern. Expansive glass panels soften the facade, offering transparency and warmth, while subtle lighting signals life within. This front view is not designed to impress loudly, but to intrigue quietly, inviting you closer without revealing everything at once. The living room unfolds as a masterclass in spatial efficiency and understated opulence. Floor-to-ceiling glass dissolves the boundary between interior and forest, making nature the primary artwork. Clean-lined furniture sits low and deliberate, allowing the architecture to breathe. Warm wood tones contrast with stone textures, while concealed lighting creates depth without distraction. Despite its compact scale, the room feels expansive, proving that luxury is defined by proportion, light, and intention, not square footage. The master bedroom is designed as a sanctuary rather than a statement. A platform bed anchors the room, oriented directly toward the forest, transforming each morning into a private retreat. Textured walls, soft lighting, and integrated storage maintain visual calm while elevating comfort. There is no excess here, only refinement. Every element encourages rest, reflection, and connection to nature, reinforcing the idea that luxury can be both minimal and deeply personal. This kitchen redefines what is possible in a compact home. Seamless cabinetry conceals high-end appliances, preserving the minimalist aesthetic while delivering full gourmet functionality. A sculpted stone island becomes both workspace and gathering point, accented by brushed metal fixtures that add quiet elegance. Natural light enhances the richness of materials, proving that this is not a secondary space, but a fully realized culinary environment designed for serious living. The mezzanine introduces vertical intelligence to the design. Accessible via a floating staircase, it overlooks the living space below, creating visual continuity throughout the home. This elevated nook serves as a reading lounge or contemplative retreat, wrapped in warm wood and softened by indirect light. Glass railings preserve openness, reminding us that thoughtful architecture can multiply space without expanding the footprint. The bathroom is a hidden spa, intentionally secluded yet visually connected to the forest. A freestanding stone tub rests beside a panoramic window, turning bathing into a ritual experience. Matte stone surfaces, warm timber accents, and rainfall fixtures elevate function into luxury. Steam, light, and silence work together here, demonstrating that even the smallest room can deliver the most profound sense of escape. The front yard is restrained and purposeful, using natural stone paths, moss, and native planting to complement the architecture rather than compete with it. Subtle ground lighting guides movement without disrupting the forest's calm. This space does not announce arrival, it eases you into it. The home feels discovered, not approached, reinforcing its role as a private retreat rather than a public display. The rooftop terrace offers a rare luxury, elevation without exposure. Positioned among the treetops, it provides panoramic forest views while maintaining complete privacy. Minimal seating and integrated lighting encourage quiet moments rather than entertainment excess. At sunset, warm tones wash over the deck, transforming the roof into a contemplative space where architecture, sky, and landscape align effortlessly. The working room proves that focus and beauty can coexist. A built-in desk faces the forest, allowing natural light to guide the workday. Storage is concealed, surfaces are clean, and acoustics are softened through material choice. This is a space designed for clarity, where creativity is supported by calm surroundings and thoughtful design rather than unnecessary ornamentation. The backyard unfolds as an intimate outdoor extension of the home. A timber deck, fire feature, and lounge seating create a space equally suited for solitude or quiet conversation. Surrounded by dense forest, the area feels completely secluded, with the home's warm interior glow reflecting softly against the trees. It is not landscape for spectacle, but for presence. This tiny forest home is not a lesson in downsizing, but in refinement. It proves that luxury is not measured in excess, but in precision, how space is shaped, how light is captured, and how comfort is delivered without compromise. In redefining scale, it redefines living, offering a blueprint for a future where elegance and intention lead the way.